작은 고추가 맵다.
Literal translation: even small peppers are spicy. Similar English proverb small head, big ideas means that even small things can have powerful effects.
작은 고추가 맵다.
In terms of grammar,
작은
means small,
고추
means pepper,
맵다.
means spicy. The proverb suggests that size alone does not determine the impact of something. Even a small thing, such as a small pepper, can still pack a punch and have a powerful effect. It is often used to remind people not to underestimate the power of small things or actions.
작은 고추가 맵다.
Even small peppers are spicy.
일찍 일어나는 새가 벌레를 잡는다.
Literal translation: the early bird catches the worm. Similar English proverb: diligence is the mother of good luck, which means that those who start their tasks early or take action promptly are more likely to succeed or enjoy the benefits.
일찍 일어나는 새가 벌레를 잡는다. 일찍
Means early.
일어나는
Means waking up, or getting up.
새가
Means bird.
벌레를
Means the worm.
잡는다.
Means catches. The proverb suggests that waking up early and beginning preparations can lead to success and advantages that those who are less proactive may not enjoy.
일찍 일어나는 새가 벌레를 잡는다.
The early bird catches the worm.
가는 날이 장날이다.
Literal translation: the day you go out happens to be the day of a market. Similar English proverb: that's bad timing.
가는 날이 장날. 가는
Means going.
날이
Means day.
장날.
Means market day. The proverb suggests that you cannot always predict when something unexpected or inconvenient will occur, and that sometimes things just go wrong due to bad luck or timing. It carries the implication that one should be prepared for the unexpected and be adaptable in dealing with unforeseen circumstances.
가는 날이 장날이다.
The day you go out happens to be the day of a market.
ti.k mo.a tḥɛ.san.
Literal translation: gather dust to become a great mountain. Similar English: many a little makes a lot.
ti.k mo.a tḥɛ.san. ti.k
Means dust.
mo.a
Means gathered, or collected.
tḥɛ.san.
Means Mount.ha, which refers to a famous mountain in China. The proverb suggests that saving or collecting small amounts consistently can eventually result in a significant accumulation, which could be compared to the height of Mount.ha. It is often used to encourage persistence, patience, and hard work towards long-term goals.
ti.k mo.a tḥɛ.san.
Gather dust to become a great mountain.
개구리 올챙이 적 생각 못한다.
Literal translation: a frog cannot remember the tadpole stage. Similar English: the old cow thinks like that she never was a calf.
개구리 올챙이 적 생각 못하다. 개구리
Means frog.
올챙이
Means tadpole.
적
Means once.
생각 못하다.
Means cannot remember. The proverb suggests that once someone achieves success or experiences significant change, it is difficult to recall or imagine their naive or humble beginnings. It is often used to remind people to be humble and grateful, and not to forget where they come from.
개구리 올챙이 적 생각 못한다.
A frog cannot remember the tadpole stage.
금강산도 식후경.
Literal translation: even Mount Geumgang looks different after a meal. Similar English: pudding rather than praise.
금강산도 식후경. 금강산
Means Mount Geumgang, which is a famous mountain range in North Korea.
도
Means also, or too.
식후경.
Means scenery after a meal. The proverb suggests that even the most impressive or beautiful things can lose their impact when one is not in the right mood or circumstance to appreciate them fully. It is often used to remind people to be aware of the influence that their mood, circumstances, and perspective can have on their perception of reality.
금강산도 식후경.
Even Mount Geumgang looks different after a meal.
낱말은 새가 듣고 반말은 쥐가 듣는다.
Literal translation: the bird listens to daytime gossip, while the mouse listens to nighttime whispers. Similar English pictures have ear.
낱말 새 듣다 반말 쥐 낱말은
Daytime words.
낮
Day.
말
Words.
은
Subject marker.
새가
Means bird, and subject marker
듣고
is a connecting form of the verb
듣다
in the sentence.
듣다
Means to listen.
고
Is a connecting ending in Korean. Used to link two or more actions or states.
밤
Night
말
words.
반말
Nighttime words.
은
Subject marker.
쥐가
Mouse.
가
Subject marker.
듣는다
Means to listen.
는다
Sentence final ending. Used when describing a certain event, fact, state, etc. The proverb is a reminder to be cautious when speaking because there might be someone or something listening, even if it appears that no one is around.
낱말은 새가 듣고 반말은 쥐가 듣는다.
The bird listens to daytime gossip, while the mouse listens to nighttime whispers.
등잔 밑이 어둡다.
Literal translation: it is darkest under the lamp. Similar English: right under someone's nose.
등잔 밑 어둡다. 등잔
Means lamp.
밑
Means under or bottom.
위
Is a particle indicating the subject of the sentence.
어둡다.
Means to be dark. The proverb suggests that people should pay more attention to what's right in front of them and appreciate the value of things closer to them.
등잔 밑이 어둡다.
It is darkest under the lamp.
믿는 도끼에 발등 찍힌다.
Literal translation: to be cut on the instep by the trusted axe. Similar English in trust as treason.
믿는 도끼 발등 찍히다. 믿는
Means trusted.
도끼
Means axe.
왜
Is a particle indicating direction or location.
발등
Means instep or top of the foot.
찍히다.
Means to be stabbed or to be cut. The proverb serves as a reminder to be cautious when placing trust in others or things, as even the most reliable person or item may occasionally fail us.
믿는 도끼에 발등 찍힌다.
To be cut on the instep by the trusted axe.
보기 좋은 떡이 먹기도 좋다.
Literal translation: a good-looking rice cake also tastes good. Similar English appearances matter.
보기 좋은 떡 먹기 좋다. 보기
Means to see or to look.
좋은
Means good or nice.
떡
Means rice cake.
위
Is a particle for the subject.
먹기
Means to eat or eating.
도
Means also or to.
좋다.
Means to be good. The proverb conveys the idea that if something appears to be good, it is likely to be good in other aspects as well.
보기 좋은 떡이 먹기도 좋다.
A good-looking rice cake also tastes good.